This cake is sure to impress at least one of the 14 people it serves. Hi, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making cider-glazed apple bundt cake. Here's what you'll need. Add 4 cups of apple cider to a large skillet and bring it to a boil. Continue boiling until it is reduced to 1 cup. I wasn't sure how to do this, so before I started, I placed 1 cup of water in the pan and measured the depth with a chopstick. Next, generously butter your bundt pan. Once it was buttered, I placed it in the refrigerator until needed. To a large bowl, add 3 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice. Whisk thoroughly to combine. Next, make the glaze by combining 3 ounces of confectioners sugar and 2 tablespoons of the reduced apple cider. Whisk thoroughly, then cover with plastic wrap and set aside until needed. Now set aside 6 tablespoons of the apple cider reduction. Now is a good time to grate 3 cored Granny Smith apples. I did not peel the apples. In a separate bowl, add the remaining 1/2 cup cider reduction, melted butter, brown sugar, and eggs. Whisk them together until they're smooth. I almost forgot to add the vanilla. Once everything is smooth and combined, add it to your dry ingredients. Stir it together until it is nearly combined. You should still be able to see some flour. Now add the apples. Stir together gently until the apples are distributed evenly. Transfer the mixture into your prepared bundt pan and smooth the top. Then move it to the oven. If a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, you know it's done.
Sweet.
Immediately brush the surface of the cake with 1 tablespoon of the reserved cider reduction. Then allow it to cool in the pan for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, invert the cake onto a wire rack and remove it from the pan. Now brush the top and sides of the cake with the remaining 5 tablespoons of reserved cider reduction. After that, allow the cake to cool for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, stir the icing to loosen it up and then drizzle it over the cake. Once you're finished drizzling, allow the cake to cool completely for at least 2 hours. And here it is. It's really quite beautiful, and it's delicious. It's moist without being too dense, and has a very nice apple flavor. I hope you'll give it a try. Thanksgiving is just around the corner. I also hope you'll subscribe and come back for new recipe videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And click the link on your screen to check out my pumpkin pie poke cake recipe. It's even better than this one. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.